everybody, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be learning how to fold this paper rose. It's really simple and easy, and these are the results. Let's go ahead and start. So I would recommend having a paper that has the same color on both sides. So the first step is we are going to fold this in half like a triangle. And then we're going to fold that triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. We're going to open it all up to this. Now we're going to turn it over and then fold it in half like a square. We're going to open it up and take this side to the middle crease that we just made. We're going to open it up, turn it around, and then do the same thing. Fold it in half. Open it up. Take the side to the middle. Then we are going to open it up, and then now we have 16 squares. We are going to fold the corner into a tiny square or triangle, and then do that with all 4 corners. Right, now here comes the tricky part. So, we are going to fold on this line that we already made. So fold it in half, like that. Oops. So fold it in half, and then put it down again. So we're going to gather the lines into the middle. So if you just do it, it might go like this. We don't want that, so we're going to straighten that a little to make it go into a shape like that. So remember, corners first, gather it, and then we'll end up with something like this. So you're going to flip this up until here. Same with the other side. And then you're going to open it, because there's a little pocket here. You're going to open it and then press down on the little triangle. Same with the other side. Open and press down on the triangle. And then we are going to take the middle little diamond and then fold that in half. we're going to do the same thing with the other side. So we're going to flip it over, fold it up towards the middle line, open it up and press down on the triangle. And then we're gonna flip up the little diamond. Okay, so both sides are complete. And then we're going to fold them in half. So then it'll end up looking like a house. We're going to take the end and then go it to the middle. So same thing as the other ones we did. Make it go to the middle and lift up the little triangle. Flip it over and do the same. Okay, that is the last one. And then, this is also a tricky part. We're gonna put it up like this so it looks like a diamond. And then on the top, there's this little pocket. What we're gonna do, we're going to spread out the little pocket and then make it look like a little square. Okay, so let's do that again. There's a little air pocket. You're going to spread out the sides and then it will end up looking like this. Okay, so if you got this done, flip it over and then put it down. Now what we're going to do is take this little flap and then put it over here. Take this flap and then put it over here. This now looks like some sort of ninja star or pattern. So now is the part where we make this into this. We are going to grab the middle and then swirl it around. By doing this, the sides will lift up to make the big leaves of your rose. To make it even prettier, you're going to curve them back so they look natural. Give it an extra twirl. And then your flower should end up looking like this. Very cute and easy. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell. Bye.